we came, so we left, we went all the way to here, right? And then I went up here and then down.
Yes.
So on the way back, if we have time, we're gonna go back to here. This is our home here, but we're gonna go this way.
So we're gonna take the ferry instead of the business.
If we got the time.
So we need to leave quick. Para raw talo sa ferry. Para sa ragat ng tanong.